guys, in this video, we're going to talk about Snap. We ended the day at 46.79, down around 2% from yesterday's close. That's down around a buck and some change. So we've been in this downtrend ever since really mid-November. We started to make a little bit of a cup here, thought a handle might start happening, but really just a pullback here. We're monitoring this 100% fib retrace right around that $48 level, and we just could not hold that for whatever reason in here. So going forward, that's going to be our new resistance. Support wise, what are we looking at? Well, that low today that we printed, 45.46, that's going to be our first support. Below that, we're watching the 45s. Then we're just going nice big dollar amounts, nice whole dollars as we go down 45, 44, 43, working our way down to that $40 level. That $40 level is going to be key for us to hold, which I believe we should, but that's going to be a big support for us once we get all the way down there. But we're very oversold right now, so I don't think that's on the table anytime soon, but you never know what could happen in here. So again, that low of the day, we printed it today, that's going to be our first support. Then below that, 44, 43, 42, working our way down. 40 is going to be that big support level. Now we just mentioned that 100% fib retrace. That is going to be our first resistance. Above that, we're looking at that 9-day EMA, 48.88. Above that, it is going to be the support that we've had in late October, mid-November, when we're trying to make that little cup. That's going to be at the 52s. Above that, we are going to be looking up here right around that 56 level. And then really, we have a huge gap in here that we need to fill, but that's going to be a long way away before we actually do that. But until then, we are going to be looking at the 61.8 fib, which is currently right around those mid 60s. And that's basically where that 50-day moving average is going to come down here and meet us, as well as that 200-day. So the more we consolidate around here, down here in the 48s, 46s, we're messing around down here, holding that 100% fib retrace. These moving averages will start coming down here closer to us. That's when we're going to start to get everything very nice and tight, and then we can look for a big move. But until then, we need some consolidation. We need some security here. We need to get back above that 100% fib retrace and hold. If not, we're watching the 45s, the 44s, 43s, trying to see if there's anything in here, some sort of footing for us to kind of fully, okay, our RSI is oversold, our stochastics are, let's start working them back up here, hold this level, and then we can start going back up to that in the right direction, a positive uptrend yet again. IV ranking here is at 31, raw IV in your 70s, 60s, mid 60s throughout all your expiration cycles. Everybody's pricing in right around $3. Next following Friday, everybody's pricing in right around $4. That's your December monthlies. If you go out to January, everybody's pricing in right around $7. In February, everybody is pricing in right around a $9 expected move in here. So you did have some good volume in here on the call side, on the 48s, the 50s. Really, the put side, you're looking at the 43s. There was a lot of volume coming in there today. So your skew is not really that bad. Either way, it looks like you go a couple bucks out, you're basically both trading right around that $80 mark. A little bit of call skew, maybe by 3 or 4 cents, but really normative skew in here, so that is good. Nobody's really on either side in here, so it usually shows us where all the risk is at when you're looking at the call skew. So this is good that we do have a normative skew in here. So that is good. We're going to be monitoring that 100% fib retrace in here for our first resistance. If not, we're looking at supports 45, 44, 43, working our way down to that $40 level, but everything is oversold in here. So that is good. We could be heading in the right direction in here in the near future, but again, we'll have to wait and see. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check us out on our social media. We have attached links to our socials in the description, and we also have a trading service if you're interested. There's more information in the description below.